Alright, we're going to be finding the missing dimension of this cylinder and rounding the answer to the nearest whole number. So let's solve for this radius so we can get back to playing some Fortnite. Alright, so I'm going to write my volume formula. So V equals pi r squared h. I'm going to plug in the pieces that I have. There's three pieces. There's a volume, a radius, and a height. Just plug in the ones that you have. So 100 is my volume. I still have pi. My radius I don't know, so I'm going to just rewrite the r squared. But I do know my height. It's 2. These three are all timesing together. Alright, first step I'm going to do is divide all the pieces that are timesing by r squared. So pi is timesing by r squared, and 2 is timesing by r squared. And I got to do that on the other side, divide by pi and 2. I'm going to punch that in my calculator, so 100 divided by pi, oh I forgot my parentheses, pi 2 squared. So pi 2, not 2 squared. Make sure you use parentheses like this when you type in dividing 100 by pi 2. Otherwise you will get the wrong answer. You've got to use parentheses right there. So let's see what we get. I'm going to leave that number on my calculator, but I'm going to write it down. It's about 15.9. That's r squared. Now my next step, I need to take the square root to get back to r. The reason I left this number on my calculator is so that I can put the square root in and I can still see the number that I'm typing in. So I can type a lot of the digits in so I can have an exact answer. Because I want to round it at the very end, not in the middle of the problem. So I'm going to say that rounds to about 4 because we're rounding this to the whole number. That's really close to 4. So the radius is about 4. And we solve this. Play some Fortnite.